Okay guys, let's address the elephant in the room. Let's talk about knife attack. Now everything I'm going to talk about is from my own personal experience being attacked with an edged weapon. Behind me you can see in the dojo scenario I've created just a barrier. Now, you need to understand something about knife. If I see this encroaching onto me, it is very unlikely that I'm going to go forward towards it, okay? It is even less likely that I will put myself on the ground as such, because he told me to. From my own experience, when somebody was encroaching me with a weapon, it wasn't a knife, it was a broken bottle, I decided the best option would be distance. And so I backed up and put the car, let's say this represents a car, in between me and this person. And what happened was a cat and mouse chase, where I was screaming and saying, dude, I don't know you, what's your problem, why are you trying to stab me? And he eventually lost wind. He slowed down because he couldn't catch me. What actually solved this was the security arriving on the scene, and he would flee. But this saved my life. I had zero training how to deal with a knife at the time, but instinctually and with logic, I took distance. A great teacher of mine once used to say this: with distance you have power. Here's my point. If you are on the ground, you are what we call a -5 position. How did you get to the ground needs to be contextualized. Yes, it's possible that you may be backing up and now you're on the ground. And this person may come down with you and he may just start stabbing immediately. Who is to say that they will threaten you? Let's always work with the safest and most logical option first: distance. And distance will give you the opportunities to deploy a weapon, be it a knife, an improvised weapon, or even deploying your firearm. Hey lady, I'm going to stab you. Hey lady, come here.